Good morning, my dear students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of compound containing one functional group. IUPAC nomenclature of compound containing one functional group. The first basic rule is your select the longest possible chain of carbon which must include the functional group. So the first rule is select the longest possible chain of carbon which must include the functional group. Second point, if any multiple bond is also present in the carbon chain, then the parent chain must contain the functional group along with the multiple bond, that is your double or triple bond. The third point, the numbering should be done in such a way, so that the functional group should fall on the lowest possible position, Next point, if any terminal functional group is present in the carbon chain, such as aldehyde, carboxylic acid, cyanide or nitrile, ester, that is your COOR, CONH2, that is acid amide, or COX, that is acid halide, then it is always placed at carbon number 1. Then it is always placed at carbon number 1, or it will assign position 1, and usually this position is not written in the IUPAC name. मीन्स यूजुअली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये जो कार्बन नंबर 1 हमने जो टर्मिनल फंक्शनल ग्रुप को दिया, उस पोजीशन को हम यूजुअली इंडिकेट नहीं करते. सो दिस इज द मेन rule for the naming of compound containing one functional group. You may add one point. The point is, you can say that is your fifth point. The fifth point is suitable suffixes are used. Suitable suffixes are used for the name of a particular functional group. For example, if your compound is like this, CH3OH. Now in this case the functional group is your alcoholic functional group. The functional group is your alcoholic functional group. In trivial nomenclature, in common system of nomenclature, we write methyl alcohol. However, in IUPAC, it is written as your methanol. So actually, we use suffix OL. The root word is your methane, and the suffix we use OL. And the E of this methane should be dropped because there should not be two consecutive vowels. E is your vowel and O is also your vowel. That's why the E of alkane should drop. So the IUPAC name is your methanol. Similarly, if we write CH3CH2OH, you know the IUPAC name is your ethanol. Now, before naming compound, the main question is, what are the different type of functional group and what will be their IUPAC name and what suffixes we have to use in their nomenclature. So let us observe. Suppose it is your class of compound, this is your functional group. Then we have IUPAC name कि भाई इनका IUPAC नाम क्या होगा. Then we write suffix and then we write prefix. Prefix means if we have, suppose if we have more than one functional group. Suppose we have more than one functional group. For example, if we have a compound like CH3, CHOH and say CHO. तो आप देखो यहाँ एल्डिहाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी है और अल्कोहलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी है. अब सवाल उठता है किसको हम मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुप मानेंगे. सो योर मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज योर एल्डिहाइड, हाउएवर द साइड वन इज योर अल्कोहल. तो जो सफिक्स यूज करोगे दैट इज फॉर मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुप और जो साइड वाले के लिए है उसके लिए वी यूज प्रीफिक्स. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल द फर्स्ट वन इज योर वेरी सिंपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप. यू नो अल्केन अल्किन अल्काइन. तो अल्केन अल्किन अल्काइन का हम कोई रिपीट करने नहीं जा रहे हैं. सो द मेन इज योर, से इट इज योर अल्कोहल. It is your alcohol. Alcohol is your ROH. Now the functional group is your OH. Because if in place of R you write HOH. Now you know HOH is water and water is not an organic compound. It is an inorganic compound. आप जानते हैं कि वाटर सर अल्कोहल नहीं. So what happens? If it is OH, so this R is an alkyl group. Now the question is, what is an alkyl group? भैया alkyl group क्या है? तो आपको बता दें, alkyl group means you consider an alkane and just you remove one hydrogen. So this will give you alkyl. For example, we have methane. We remove one hydrogen, it becomes methyl. For example, we have ethane C2H6. We remove one hydrogen, it becomes your ethyl. So this is your alkyl. Now the IUPAC name of alcohol is alkanol. It is your alkanol. So what actually we do? The root word is alkane. And we use suffix OL. अल्केन में OL सफिक्स जोड़ते हैं और अल्केन का लास्ट ड्रॉप कर देते हैं. Then it becomes your alkanol. So suffix is your all OL. Now the question is, what is prefix? Prefix is your hydroxy. So prefix is your hydroxy. For example, if we have a compound like CH3OH, since there is only one hydrogen, so the IUPAC name is your methanol. Similarly, if we write CH3, CH2OH, then it is your ethanol. So what will be the next higher homologue? You can say it is propanol. Next higher homologue, it will be butanol and pentanol.